BHC Power YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at checking and topping up the oil on a 10 and 12 kilowatt Kohler standby generator. This will work on any of the 10s and 12s that look just like this guy here. So every 8 hours of operation, the oil in the generator has to be checked and potentially topped up if it needs to. So let's say right now that the generator is running. We're going to want to open the lid. So you take your key, place it in the slot, and turn. If it's too stiff to turn, you may have to push down on the lid to get it to unlock, but I promise you it will unlock. Lift the lid open. Now your engine's running, so we want to turn that off. But first place we're going to go to is the main circuit breaker. So it's under this little plastic cover. You can kind of push the latch out of the way, lift the cover up, and inside you have a regular breaker. Now you're going to want to push that down. Down is off. At this point, the engine's still running, but we have no power coming out of the unit. We're going to want to turn that off. So we head over and press the off button on the controller. The generator will shut down at this point. Now we're going to head over to our dipstick and fill tube. Dipstick's in the back corner of the motor. It's yellow, big handle on it. You're going to want to pull that out and just wipe the oil off of it. Doesn't matter what it says right now. The oil is splashing all over the motor, so the reading's not going to be accurate. Place it back in and pull it out again and check. So on these dipsticks, conveniently you have a low line and you have a full line. You're going to want to be somewhere between half to the full line, 3/4 is best. If you need to top up the oil, we use 530 synthetic. The unit takes about 2 quarts to fill from empty. So if you have 1 quart or 1 liter, you'll be able to top it up. Your top up is from the same place that you removed your dipstick from. That being said, you cannot put too much oil in here because it will back up and come out of the dipstick tube. And as you go in to check your oil after you've added some, just keep in mind that the oil in here is going to get all over the dipstick, so you may have to check it multiple times to get an accurate reading. But in this case, we didn't add any, so we would just place it back in. Now we'll be ready to start it back up. Start it back up and come back to your controller and you press the auto button, which is in the middle. Now at this point, the engine would start up automatically. Give it 30-45 seconds to get up to speed. Once up to speed, open the little plastic cover again and put the breaker in the up position. Now this will allow power to go back in the house. That's the check for the oil. Essentially close your lid back and you can lock it from there. That's the oil check for the Kohler 10 and 12. If you have any questions or you have a different Kohler or a Briggs and Stratton or a Generac, take a look at the rest of our videos on the BHC Power YouTube page, or if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 613-733-8135. Thank you very much. Have a great day.